Hi everyone, welcome to Metric Lab's design tutorials. Here's a quick video about isometric text designing. Open a new artboard. You can take any square resolution. Here I am taking 1080 by 1080. Click the text tool and write anything. Here I am writing 3 words and you can change the font size and position. Select each word and click 3D rotate from effect in the menu bar. And select different isometric projections for 3 words. Here I am using isometric top, right and left. And rearranging them by rotating, repositioning and rescaling, and finally add white stroke effect to the 3 words. Select each word and click Transform Effect, Distort and Transform from Effect menu, and change the number of copies and horizontal vertical moves, and make it look like 3D projections in different angles. Select the rectangle tool and color and bring it to the background. Select the 3 words and change the color and stroke as you want. And select the 3 and create outlines for adding gradients. You can also change the round corner values here. Then reselect the words and click color combination options from gradients. You can change the colors like you design views, selecting the best combinations like you want. Thanks for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please click like and subscribe.